factory. Let's have a Play-doh party. Yeah. A shooting star.
You can make all sorts of great things with a Play-doh Fun Factory.
Well, what's going on? We're messing with Play-Doh today. Get comfy, grab some Play-Doh. Let's start morphing. Hold up 1 second. Before we truly start making some masterpieces, yes, you may have noticed that you can't see the entire northern hemisphere of our skulls. And no, it was not my poor camera placement. It was Arthur and Ruby, our curious cats who decided they would like to mess with the new tripod. Since I'm not too fond of the idea of scrapping an entire hour of footage, I'm just going to edit it how it is. So please, kick your legs up, grab a beverage of choice and a pack of Play-Doh, and enjoy the video. Hey! These cats are... What do you want to make?
I was thinking about making the Holocaust.
We can do that. I'm gonna make a snake. Play-Doh reminds me of Spam. You know Spam? Like the food?
Yeah. Isn't that like fish?
No.
It's not fish.
Spam is a mixture of mushy meat. And it forms a nice meat cake. It's a meat block. It's a meat brick.
It's a loaf.
A loaf.
Good ham loaf.
Ham loaf. It's a good ham loaf. So, do you want to make like a little story for these? Do you want to make like a? Oh.
I'm really trying here.
Are you actually trying?
Yes.
This is awful. Oh. Give me a name for the snake.
Black snake.
Black snake.
Black snake.
Black snake.
Black snake.
Okay. Ooh. And you gotta get with the program. I'm gonna give him arms. We'll leave him right there. He looks like he needs help. You used all the pink for that.
I needed all the pink for it.
Get that off me. Don't touch me with that.
Okay. I'm gonna be very ambitious and I'm gonna make a dinosaur.
Okay.
Ooh, ah, ah. Ooh, 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 ah, ah.
Ooh, 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 ah, ah.
Ooh, ooh.
Dude, I'm ahead of the game. I'm already making. Well, that's a big snake.
Your elephant looks retarded. Looks like a pit bull from back here.
Looks like a pit bull. Oh, I know what it is.
He looks like there's a stick coming out of his ass.
Dirty, dusty, white bitch.
Look at that. It's a dinosaur, bro.
Can you name that dinosaur?
Yes. Look at that, bro.
Yeah.
Dinosaurs. Crazy.
Hello? You like the sniff?
Look at that. That's the base of it.
What is it?
You'll see.
Well, I'm seeing right now, but like, I tell you this a lot, but you give me anxiety.
My ability to get the anxiety
Massive.
is a talent, actually. And I enjoy it.
That's mean.
Yeah. Are you seeing it now?
Is this a dog?
Look at that.
Is that a bull?
You see that? That's... Come on. Look at that. That's great.
Is that Jake the dog?
No, that's Clifford.
Oh no. Oh no, stop facing off though. There's too much tension.
You don't see it?
I see it now. Yeah, there's a lot of creativity going on over there on your end.
I know, that's why you brought me.
Mm-hmm. That is indeed why I brought you.
Because I am one of the most creative people on this planet.
You have a lot of confidence in yourself.
Yeah.
God, he's coked out, dude.
How many stars does Patrick have?
Uh,
I don't watch SpongeBob. I actually kind of forgot what Patrick looks like.
he's a very basic character design. What are you talking about? You don't know what Patrick looks
I
like.
don't know.
Patrick sees his first pair of tits.
Yo, it's Patrick.
Yeah, okay.
Look, I'm catching up.
Yeah, you are catching up.
Yeah. Mine are better too. Look at that. That motion.
Oh my god, no, I know who this is. I know who this is gonna be.
You don't. That.
Oh my god, I knew it. I knew it was Plankton. I knew it.
Oh, we're tied now.
I will say that one was kind of cheating.
No, it's not.
Mm-hmm.
No, because I put a lot of thought into it. You didn't think of Plankton, now did you?
There we go. Pika pika. Pika pika pika. You see it? Fucking with the vision?
He's fucked with his vision.
No, you can see from a mile away.
Look at that. You know what it is?
Is it one of the Simpsons?
No.
Why are the goggles thick as hell?
Because he needs to see.
Okay. What? Show the back, please.
Double cheeked up on a Thursday afternoon.
Don't. Don't. He do the splits on the dick, man. Alright, we'll make one more each.
No.
Fine, we'll make two more each.
No.
You do one more, or two more, I do one. How?
You not see it?
Okay. No, you keep going, keep going.
Matilda. No?
Can she do math really well?
Yeah, look. 7. It's Matilda.
Okay.
Bam. Are you getting it yet?
Wait a minute. Lasagna?
No. You don't.
It's not Garfield?
No.
Damn. So I was gonna make this my last one. But I'm deciding against it.
What is that?
It was supposed to be a mixture of Larry the Cucumber and Pickle Rick, but
Oh, that's funny.
it's the funniest shit I've ever seen.
Yeah, I know. Pickle, funny, joke. You laugh.
Yeah, laugh, haha, laugh,
Laugh.
If you did not laugh at Pickle Rick, you are beyond gay.
Yeah, because that's actually my favorite show.
I love Pickle Rick. I love Pickle Rick. That's pretty funny, dude. Seen Family Guy? Oh no, my snake fell.
No, Clifford's getting railed.
I made the paperclip from Microsoft Word. Isn't that where he's from?
Yeah, I think.
Microsoft Word.
Bitch, that's Clippy.
Alright, so I'm just gonna chill here. It's Garfield, dude! It's Garfield!
It's not Garfield.
Is it the dude with the sock on his back from Monsters Inc?
No.
With the Lorax?
No.
Dude, it's Garfield!
No, it's not.
What is it?
It's Tigger.
Tigger, that's not! That's not!
Was he not in that one show? He gets on the table. He's like, Otis, get off the table. He like kicks him.
Yeah, keep going. I'm gonna eat some of my flamethrower burger. I'm pissed. They put the wrong cheese on this burger. It's supposed to be pepper jack, and they put American cheese on this. Absolute heathens at Dairy Queen.
It smells good though.
It does.
So this one might have to be a stretch for you, because you're so feeble in mind that you can't handle anything I make.
Feeble, dude. Feeble in the mind?
Yeah.
Oh, I know that one. Uncooked patty.
No. You're close. Let me fix
This
So this doesn't count I don't even think you should show the camera this. No. Allie.
I don't like that.
That's not it though. I got one more.
Okay.
That was
well,
not.
no, that's not fair.
No, that I didn't count that. That's not.
Yeah, but he's with your lineup. That's more like it.
Okay. You're not gonna get it because you're so dumb.
Feeble.
Yeah.
Feeble in the mind.
You're just feeble in the mind. So, you get it yet? Yeah. I expect that much.
They're gonna be Homer Simpson.
Dope.
He does say dope.
Dope.
What's popping? Dope.
Do you see it? Or no? This is not there.
I don't see it.
You're telling me you don't see this. Look at that. Anyone would guess what this is.
Will you give me a hint?
He related to Thanos.
Why? Because he's purple?
No, because he could also wield the Infinity Gauntlet. Or maybe after I put the whole top lip on, you'll see it.
Those are his lips?
Look at that! Look at that.
You covered his teeth.
Yeah, Max, I'm putting detail in it, bruh.
Is that a penguin?
No. Do you see it?
It looks like a squid to me.
How do you see it?
Bro, what the fuck is that?
You guys are so weird. It's Barney the dinosaur.
What?
You're like licking the kids. Look.
I will say your lineup's pretty good. I'll get one. Yeah. Oh god. Oh god. Okay. So that'll be it
Wait,
for the day.
wait. It's Pikachu
Oh, hold on.
inside of a pod racer.